Have you ever felt a surge of energy that seemed to come from within? A force that, for a moment, made you feel unstoppable. Today, we're going to explore that feeling. Welcome to this guided meditation designed to help you awaken your inner power. Hello, beautiful souls. I'm Lindsay, and I'm delighted to guide you through this meditation session. Let's start by finding a comfortable position, whether you're sitting cross-legged on the floor, lying down, or in a supportive chair. Take a moment to settle in. Close your eyes gently and begin to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, allow yourself to relax a bit more. Today, we're diving into the concept of activating inner power through energy work. This practice involves tapping into the natural energy within us to bring about positive changes in our lives. Whether you're looking to enhance your well-being, boost your confidence, or deepen your sense of purpose, energy work can be transformative. Let's bring to light some of the common challenges people face when trying to harness their inner power. Have you ever felt blocked or like you're lacking energy? Maybe you struggle with self-doubt, or you're not sure if you're doing it right. These obstacles are normal, and today, we're going to work through them together. Now, feel the ground or the surface beneath you. Notice its solidity and support. As you breathe in, imagine that you're drawing in energy from the earth beneath you, grounding yourself. Feel the energy rise through your body, starting from your feet and moving upward with each breath. Picture this energy as a warm, vibrant light. As it travels up through your legs, allow your muscles to relax, releasing any tension or tightness. The warmth moves into your hips and lower back, soothing any discomfort. Now, as the light continues its journey, let it flow into your abdomen. Visualize it swirling gently, filling you with a sense of calm and stability. Feel the energy balancing your emotions and grounding your core. With your next breath, imagine the light moving up into your chest, expanding your heart space. This is where your inner power resides. As the energy fills your chest, picture it glowing brighter, radiating warmth throughout your body. This is your source of strength, your center of energy. Take a moment to dwell in this light, feel its warmth and vitality. As it grows, imagine it spreading to your shoulders, loosening any tightness. Allow it to flow down your arms, through your elbows, wrists, and into your hands. Picture your hands glowing with this radiant energy, filled with potential. Next, visualize the light traveling up your neck and into your head. Feel it soothing your mind, easing any stress or overthinking. As the light fills your head, notice how it clears away any mental fog, bringing clarity and focus. With each breath, the energy becomes more vibrant, more intense. It's flowing through your entire body now, from your head to your toes. You are a conduit for this energy, and it's limitless. Feel its strength, its vitality, its power. You are connected to something greater than yourself, a universal energy that fuels your inner power. As you continue to breathe, I want you to focus on an intention. It could be a personal goal, a wish for someone else, or a positive affirmation. Visualize a glowing orb of light within your heart. See your intention, wish, or affirmation written in the middle of this glowing orb of light. See it pulsating with energy, growing stronger with each breath. Now, with your next exhale, imagine this orb expanding outward, sending waves of energy through your entire body. Feel it energizing you, bringing you a sense of purpose and clarity. As it flows outward, know that this energy can manifest your intentions, turning your thoughts into reality. Take a few more deep breaths, allowing the energy to flow freely, filling you with strength, confidence, and inner power. You are recharged, revitalized, and ready to embrace whatever comes next. I'd like to share a personal story with you. There was a time when I felt overwhelmed by anxiety and self-doubt. I didn't believe in my own abilities, and it seemed like everything was just too much. But then I started practicing meditation and energy work. I focused on that inner light, just like we're doing now, and I felt a shift. It was as if I tapped into a wellspring of energy within me, a source of confidence I didn't know I had. Through this practice, I found clarity, strength, and the belief that I could overcome any challenge. It was a profound experience, one that showed me the power of meditation and energy work. It transformed not only my mindset, but also my entire life. I became more centered, more confident, and more at peace with myself. This breakthrough helped me realize that our inner power is real and incredibly potent. As we wrap up this meditation, I want you to remember that you have this inner power within you at all times. By tapping into it through energy work, you can bring about profound changes in your life. It can help you find balance, build confidence, and achieve your goals. The light you visualize during this meditation is always there, ready to guide and support you. I'd love to hear about your experiences with energy work and meditation. If you have a story or a breakthrough you'd like to share, please leave it in the comment section below. Your journey can inspire others and create a supportive community. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next meditation session. Until then, take care and remember that you are powerful beyond measure.